Welcome to the most incredible airport.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all like the Malaysia vlogs. So we are here at the Kuala Lumpur International Airport and we are heading to another beautiful country, that is Singapore. This is by far the most exciting day for me in all the international trips we've been so far. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm more than excited. See you in some time. So it just took us 5 minutes to complete the immigration process and a detailed video around visa will be out soon. We wanted to visit the Jewel, which is located at Terminal 1, and to reach there we took a complimentary shuttle bus from Terminal 4 which took around 10 minutes to reach Jewel.
Welcome to the most incredible airport, that is the Changi Airport. Let's see the beautiful views of the Jewel. Today we are going to explore all the beautiful attractions this airport has.
So all the attractions in Jewel are located at level 5 and we purchased tickets for Mirror Maze and Canopy Park through Klook. Okay, looks like the Mirror Maze comes first and then the Canopy Park. So we are going to explore the Mirror Maze now. So if you do not get your tickets through Klook, you can also get them here at the ticketing station. Think? I don't want think. Okay, so you have to collect these batons from the entrance. Now I'll give you a dare. Walk without the baton. I'm right here. Where are you searching?
I can see you there. I can see you here. I'm so confused.
Where? Arre, I thought you were this one.
So beautiful, no?
See, we're almost here.
Oh, is it?
See, we're almost here. See, that's why I asked you to follow me.
God.
Hey, wow, look at this. What do you think? Is it worth it?
So it is very small. It's just that you should be smart enough to understand it's a circle. But then it is worth it.
So that's the Mirror Maze and you just have to walk till here. And this is the entrance for Canopy Park. You can also drop your luggage at the level 2 locker while you explore the Jewel and check out the description for locker pricing. With Canopy Park ticket you get entry for 4 beautiful attractions.
Not everyone can be my husband. Hey, look at this beautiful parrot. So beautiful. Come. It's the bear. Hey, look at this baby elephant fountain. Look at the flying fishes. Another view of the jewel. Oh, this view is amazing. There's so many trees around. So it's definitely amazing to have so much beauty in one airport. I think this is why Singapore is one of the world's best airport, because look at the greenery everywhere. Let me show you another view. If these grills would not be here, you would probably think I'm in one forest trekking.
Let's try this slide.
What?
The discovery slide.
Oh, we can do that? I
Yeah,
thought
we
it's
can
for
do
kids.
that. It's in the ticket.
Is it? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it.
Okay, I'm now going to try this discovery slide.
Sorry.
Arms crossed?
Yeah.
That's it?
So you cross this way. If you want to record, just put it like
Okay, like this?
Yeah.
Let's take a break, man. Oh! Cool air is coming from here. Oh, looks like them. Oh, this is really amazing. So relaxing. Look at the thought process, man. It's like super advanced.
So you can get these beautiful views of Jewel from level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, and we are here at the level 5. You will get the best views from here. You can also get the rain vortex views from the SkyTrain, and for that you need to switch from terminal 1 to 2 or vice versa. There are no charges to access the SkyTrain, so don't miss out. Jewel also offers various other attractions, so do check out their official website from the description and book tickets according to your interest. As we opted for Mirror Maze and Canopy Park, it costed us around 800 INR per person. So that's how. Now I'm going to open this washroom door by just pressing this. That will open up this. I will then lock it. That's for the kids. I can't believe they've given facilities even in a washroom soap. This will only automatically do the washing part. There's a dryer as well. Oh, you can decide how much water pressure you want. Lovely. There are various options to reach the city from airport, but the best and most recommended one would be to opt for an MRT, as Singapore is known for its public transportation. So we are now here at the Changi Airport MRT. We have to go to Tanah switch the line, and then this is where our hotel is, Lavender. So after the Canopy Park, we headed towards Terminal 3 to take an MRT, and the reason we had to take an MRT is because we are staying at this place called Hotel 81 Balestier, and to get here you need to take an MRT to Tanah. From there you have to switch the lines and get down at Lavender. Again from Lavender we had to take another bus here. The reason we still took a hotel here is because this is quite budget friendly. The bus stop is right in front of our hotel. It's hardly 5 meters distance, and there is an Indian restaurant right next to our hotel. So because of that we had to choose this hotel, and we got it at a pretty good deal. So right now we are having a dosa at this Indian restaurant. The food prices are quite expensive here compared to Malaysia. In case you're planning for a SIM card at the airport, then best advice would be is to book the SIM through Klook app and collect it at the Terminal 4, as this can save up to 50% compared to airport price.